What's up everyone? Ace of Spades here. It's been a very long time since I've done a video, but Sniper Bladeworks just ran a Kickstarter about a year ago and they're finally shipping out the knives and they're back in business. They're doing sort of the production stuff. So I wanted to do a video of the stuff that I got and just show them off. I'll probably do a little bit of my collection if I have time on this battery, but let's get right into it. So we got a dashi. Looks like I'm not gonna have to cut anything. I haven't opened these up or anything yet. All right, so this is a little fixed blade kind of utility knife. Kind of the goal of this knife is to basically be your utility knife that you keep on your belt or whatever. So it's got a really nice little holster there for your belt. Or let's see what the blade looks like. So it's got this sort of Wharncliffe razor blade idea, just a nice flat edge to use for just utility work in general, opening boxes, all kinds of stuff. It's got a bottle opener. It's got the kind of Sniper Bladeworks signature carry profile, the nice choils that I really like about them. Fits in your hand really nice. You got this hole here to do paracord wrap if you wanted to, and it's got the nice Sniper Bladeworks logo, and then Lance's signature, because this is the signature series, signature reloaded series. They're basically reopening, kind of rebranding a little bit, and they're not going to be doing as much custom stuff, but they're going to have basically a full line of blades available that they're handling from start to finish instead of doing a collab with some other maker. So really excited. It looks like I got number 6 out of 350, which is actually really cool. So that is that. That'll be going on my belt a lot of the time. Fits nice and snug in the, yeah. Oh, and looks like we got the logo there on the holster as well. All right, now for the main attraction here, the LPC. I'm not comfortable the way I'm standing here for this. So I've been wanting an LPC because I have their other 2 models, the DH, which you guys have seen, and DMF. So it's kind of been, I've been trying to get an LPC, but I've wanted to do kind of a custom left-handed one to try and, you know, just because I'm buying, if I'm gonna buy a custom, I might as well get it left-handed since I'm lefty. So this is a right-handed LPC. Again, matching number. It said 06 there, so we'll see if it's on the blade anywhere, but it's got a nice G10 show side. Oh wow, I haven't done this in so long. I'm forgetting all of the terms. Show side scale in G10, nice black G10 with some nice grain there, which makes it nice. Got the couple little grooves, which is signature to Sniper Bladeworks, and you've got your titanium lock side, just a nice stone wash with the nice clip. Definitely just straight up how Sniper Bladeworks has done all their knives. All the ones that I have are kind of this way. So let's see here. Ooh, nice and smooth. It's got a nice grip to it, which is just expected from them. You got your choil. Only one side for the thumb stud, which is actually, they've been doing that for quite a while as well. It's a real chonky handle, which is nice for just really getting that grip. I've got very small hands, so, but you can hold it here, you can choke up. Same with the right hand. I'm left-handed, but same thing. Got a nice, yeah, nice finish to the blade, kind of a satin finish. And again, you've got your logos and the signature, and 0.6 out of 400. Hopefully you guys can see that. I can't really see my screen very well. So that's my new LPC, and really stoked to finally get one. I've got the full lineup, which I'll do some kind of B-roll of. You guys have seen the other two so much that I won't probably talk about them a whole lot, but yeah, kind of a little unboxing here out in the woods. Very stoked to finally get, let's see, got the middle finger flick from my left hand. Yeah, super smooth. Got the, there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and comment, subscribe, I guess. I haven't put up a video in probably a couple of years now, but definitely stoked to get some new Sniper Bladeworks. Really stoked to see that they're kind of releasing a full lineup, and they're still doing all fit and finish checks. They're still using high-end materials, all that stuff. So very, very stoked to see them, that they're back and that they're kind of coming at it at full force. Yeah, so hopefully I'll have some more updates from you guys. I think I might have a couple more coming from them. So if you're interested in Sniper Bladeworks stuff, I guess like and comment. I might do some other knives too. I just haven't been buying a whole lot, so it's been kind of tough to do videos because it's just been kind of the same stuff for the last year or two. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.